Alright, so the audio did work today. Woohoo! And this is kind of like a poke with a stick for all those people out there that complain about that it's too windy and my audio. Bear with me, the wind is bad. Yeah, and the wind will be bad for me. Woohoo! You can see Nickie gets very excited when we start riding. I have the lens set at ultra wide because she's all over the place, and the sky's pretty, and it works. Highway, I'm riding through Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, which if you've ever been there is, well, let's just say that if the state of Pennsylvania was to get an enema, Wilkes-Barre is where they insert the tip. The popo. Nickie, be cool. Oh, good. See, a friend of mine, the great David Gallo, if you don't know him, then you must be living under a rock, urged me to be careful with the dog. Not because, not the normal careful, like, it can hurt, if you're going to crash, you're just going to get killed, da-da-da. No, he's talking about that the police might pull me over and, you know, abusive animals or whatever. And so far, I've had nothing but positive from the police. They love it. I'm just a fat old guy, fat old white guy, whitish, with a little gay dog. And I'm not saying Nickie's gay. I'm just saying, you know, by guy standards, Nickie is a little foo-foo dog to most people. They make fun of my little dog to a lot of people until they see her go by, like on the BMW. On the scooter, I get abuse. On the BMW, not so much. So, and I don't care. I like the scooter. Nickie, sit in the basket. There you go. Isn't that better? She's like all looking at everything, and sometimes she'll stand up with her feet. I don't know if you can see my hand. Way up on the master cylinder, she's a mailman. Way up on the master cylinder, back legs on the gas cap. I'm like, Jesus, no fear, huh? No fear, right, Nick? Good girl. It's a long ass life. But look at this. It almost looks like I'm in a city, doesn't it? Well, technically, the city of Wilkes-Barre, and it is a city, but not to sound arrogant, but when you grow up in New York City, you know, this is. I didn't know we had a Brazilian steakhouse in Wilkes-Barre. I have been gone a while. We might have to get Mr. Nobby and go visit that one. There it is. Look at the size of this big guy. Woo. So this is the downtown Wilkes-Barre Square. The center of this metropolis. And of course it's got like, it's like students and homeless. You know, when school's in, when college is in, you have two colleges right on both sides of the square. Just, you know, it's a party town down here at night, and you get all these little clubs, and, you know. But, you know, when there's no school in, then it's just nothing but people got nothing but time walking around, hanging out in the square, making people uncomfortable. It's a little park, but you know, the people that hang out there, there, I don't know if you can see that out the side. There's a guy, like a big fat guy like me, laying there in a pair of shorts and a t-shirt, but his t-shirt's pulled up, and all you see is like this Volkswagen bug in the stomach, getting some air.